Recording in progress.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. This is your captain speaking. Welcome to another live London session. Today is 12. I said 12. Fuck me. It's 12 minutes past 8. But today is the 17th of September. This is your London session. Live trading GBP JPY. And definitely not gold today. Yeah, let's get into it. Got the tricky one this morning. Let's start off from your 4 hour. As you can see currently now, it's structured to the downside, these lows, and back above your 185.500. Some strong momentum to the upside. Boom, current past few not so strong, but that is still support technically on a 4 hour with some clean range up into these areas. But also what you can see is rejection from the upside, rejection from the downside, grabbing liquidity. I do expect this 4 hour to pull somewhere into these areas, but looking at this from a lower time frame on an hourly, does that support the buying bias? Yes, it does. As you have moved to the upside, support created, boom, targets created, and these pullbacks back into here, rejecting, can't break the previous low, still holding, high support being formed, support being formed, boom. Now you can see that you are wicking a bit lower, but as it stands you are holding to the upside on the hourly as well. When you get down to the lower time frames, it becomes a bit trickier. So on the 30, this move with the rejection from these 4 hour areas, and then you can see how we came down back into the support area of when you made your way up in the structure, retest of it multiple times, and then you get a bit of a volume too close above there. So this now holding bullish structure, support being formed, pushes, support being formed, pushes, but not really strong closes, sort of kind of rejection there. Even this, some deeper pullbacks, but buys still make sense. I think personally the options for me to get in are right now, or they have been missed, or they are being missed right now as we speak. Um, Support, higher support, as you can see, 1 2 3 4, right? You can see here we do have these deep pullbacks, but where do we close? We still close higher. So if price does close above here, potentially you want to see price pull somewhere into these areas here, the 186, and then this. Not really trusting all of this, because if you move to the left, you will see that essentially this is where price was, and up top of that is just your consolidation areas. So I definitely would look for 186 as my target for these trades, but that's like 15 pips away currently. Stop loss would have to be below here. I'm not too keen on jumping in on that personally. So I personally would wait. Once again, yeah, a lot of things playing around, but buys do make sense. It's just, yeah, just a bit of a tough cookie, because I asked myself, this move down, and I pulled into there. Now I'm above here, but I'm not strongly pushing up, nor am I really pushing down, but I want to make use of this move and see sort of kind of if we can do that same thing, form some sort of resistance to maybe push back down into these areas and potentially below. but that will be a bit of a wait because currently we are in the bullish structure. So let's see. KB, you already in on this?
No, no.
Did you get in here, Kurt? Oh yeah. Not KD,
Oh.
KB. KB. B is for the bonds.
Yeah, sorry.
B is for the bonds.
Yo.
Yo. I would like to see, I'd like to see this holding. I don't know what that really is to the left, not much, but yeah. I'd like to see that. With a 15 closing.
I got out there.
You got out?
Break even. Yeah, break even.
Yeah.
I just it pushed to those wicks, and then I was like, okay, just go break even, because it could just reject those wicks again.
Yeah. No confidence in yourself.
No, there is. I just knew if it gets to that area. I don't know.
Gets to what area? If it gets to that wicks and then what? You don't know.
I was gonna wait and see what happened.
So then you didn't like out what happened.
Because it pushed up straight away without a bottom wick. So I was like, it could go up there and then just go all the way back down.
Yeah.
And it started off with like I had to manage the trade from putting my stops here and then sitting through this whole push down. So by the time I got up here, I was a bit done.
Yeah.
Wasn't moving straight away, you know.
Yeah, I get you. Good management, because essentially you don't want after breaking that I to really pull back down. I get you. I get you.
I mean, it could carry on all the way up, but for me it's a 50-50, so I'd rather not take a chance on a 50-50.
Yeah, you can always enter again.
Yeah.
Only issue is when you don't have any money, then you can't enter. Save that gap.
I'm gonna take the dog out. I'll be back.
Okay, so he's leaving quick, so something good's about to happen. Something good has to happen. It's a time. 10 minutes to go. Nothing's really screaming at me like, oh.
Yeah, I also can't see any like clear move at this very moment. It could go either way. I'm gonna need something more clear. Give me direction.
It's a bit of a waiting game today.
Let's hope this range isn't gonna be lasting till tomorrow.
You got
Let's see at CPI tomorrow. And also USD funds rate and FOMC and
yeah, gonna be fun. So yeah, retail sales today for dollar and CPI tomorrow.
And last week you did say this week is a a busy week fundamentally. Because I see on Thursdays also GBP is bank rate and monetary policy summary and all of those things. So big news.
Yep, and then Friday's the yen.
Yeah,
So
and then
what you gonna do? This is a prime example, prime time to be
Friday.
like, be patient and wait.
Oh,
I am
are you
feeling.
still banned on TikTok?
Um, I think I don't think so now. Just someone in the band because this is an issue. But
I'm also looking at that because I'm thinking if you sell, that is just uh, like an iffy area because we could respect it or we could break it.
yeah, I essentially want to see like this holding resistance here with all of these things happening, but then I need this candle. Um,
Like close below.
I'd want this candle to close below, but maybe like even
Mm-hmm.
here, you know,
Mm.
and then leave a bit of a wick for the next one to then push further down. If I can,
Yeah.
maybe like a wick, if I could. Okay, it's not straight. But if I could get it looking like this, that'd be good. That's essentially what I want to play.
Mm.
Entry stops target. But let's see. Three minutes to go. Brother! When you. I will be there a bit
No?
later. Ravi is on the YouTube. Ravi is one of
Oh,
the guys from the UK.
oh.
top G guy. But he's abusing me that side, man. So, I should throw that thing again because if it plays out exactly like that, it'll be sexy. So lovely. I'm looking for something like this to play. Sort of was throwing earlier. I can get that, press my stop, entry, try and play this down. Only if this thing closes proper. There's 1 minute to go. Because if it does close here now, okay, with these supports here and these over here, I definitely want to see then the wick to then push down. Because we are right here.
We just need to close below the support though. Like below the bodies. I want the body closed below the bodies. Below there. Oh no, not right. Oh my goodness. Yeah, body closed below here. Some salts.
Seconds if this keeps suspecting this, it won't be worth it because you essentially have to trade into these areas off the bat.
Maybe we'll get a nice push now before 9.
So they have to push now and push decent. Do you see this week broken?
Good morning, everyone.
Top of
Good
the morning. OG. Morning, brother. How are you doing today?
I'm good. Hope we are all good.
Don't break my heart. GJ does move a bit later. Might be early. thing is with these, in the way that we're forming this morning, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Like you said, some patience this morning. I would like to see, as you said, I would like to see us pull into this area over here. Shit, there's this pencil. To this area over here, and then buy into these higher areas over here.
Thing is, you've already done that, right? But
Hmm?
you've already done that.
Yeah, but
So
if we really wanted to just push up, why are we doing this here? Because we could have clearly broken and continued and pushed. Yeah.
in that
So
same light, then you have to go and say, if while we're doing this here, well, while you're doing this here, you get me?
yeah, true.
So there's no clear option here. Buys make the most sense structurally.
That still makes sense. Yes.
Can we do it now?
Are you selling? Are you going to sell even though you just said buys make more sense?
Yes, buys do make more sense, but yes, I am selling. Because I'm not gonna fight my setup and my rules and stuff. So what I can see, how can I say? I can see that buys make the most sense, but I can also argue reason for sells, right? Currently, in this moment in time, buys look favorable. Sells to me make sense as well, but sells are also in line with my trading plan. Yeah,
Yep. I see it. I see it.
yeah. I don't want to
I just
fight
didn't
that.
get my clothes below that body, so that's my only body clothes. Give me a body clothes, and then yeah. Even for buys, give me a body clothes above. For sells, give me a body clothes below.
This year is a support, right? On the way up. You have it there, pushing up. You have it here. But what did that do? Nothing really. Sort of kind of rejected that. This one, really indecisive. could argue a liquidity grab for further pushes. Yeah, I'm in Ravi. Could argue this for further pushes, but they still look like a really good push. Okay, this candle broke that candle high, then pulled back below, engulfed that candle and closed below the support. This candle pulling back into here. Okay, well, something's got to give. So, shot, bro. I want to see this week getting full broken to push further into these areas. Because I understand that we have the bullish structure, but why the fuck did we do all of this? Now we did pull back into those areas and then did that again. Still struggling. Anything closing back above this area, that would definitely be an issue. I wouldn't like that. If we go break it on, I'll most likely get out because this week is a big enough week to continue the move down. Should drive price down further. Whoops. No, it's the 15, yeah. No. Most normalized time frame today would be the 30. But more patient. Patience is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibility. Ravi, are you hosting on the other side?
What did you say?
Oh, is he?
Yeah, I'm here.
I hear you, yeah. God, hear what you're saying.
I said, what did you say?
I didn't say anything.
Oh.
Alright, Ravi's watching. Switch on my camera when Ravi's here. Don't know if I can switch on my camera on Zoom. Still can't fucking get this Zoom camera on. Fuck it. Oh. Okay. Let's get this. I don't want no problems here now. Where we are now with this 15. Like I said, I have to be a bit more patient today. Here's what could happen. I could close the shit, pulls back, and then fucking price starts to drop from there. I don't feel like being looking like a tourist today, honestly. In that same breath, 15 I should, but I took it on a 30. Decisions. Future pushed up, please. Ravi's here, don't embarrass me, bro. I know. GJ. Which time's this? Definitely need a bearish closure on the 15, because if that doesn't happen, essentially what I'll have is a fucking higher support again, and I know this is a riskier trade, so no need in holding that. So I need, how much time's left? A minute and a half. Need some format to the downside, usually. You can do that, please. It's better. Just melt, bro. Just melt. It's hot here today. Melt like chocolate in my hand. Just melt. Do it. Little more. Little more. Okay, secured. So I'm gonna go break even. Ozzy, is that you? Must mute your mic, eh? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, now it's just sitting and waiting to see if there's more. Is there more, bro? Is there more? Shot G. I've had to pardon me, secure profit over here, because it's always important to understand the trade that you are taking. Right? So I'm taking this based on my rules and my setup, right? But I also, like I say, or said, buys make most sense. And we can clearly see what this is. And if I scroll over to the left, this is something that I drew. When was this? 13th September. So on the 13th of September, you can clearly see this was, I think this was on the 30th that I drew this even. No, I don't know where it is. Yeah, over here. And this was where we created that resistance on the way down. The structure pulled back into there and then further went down, right? So that is still there. I've made support there. Boom. So clear understanding of that. And you can see how price reacts multiple times around these areas. So, and yeah, there goes my nano. Okay. Could have liked a bit more, but alright. Close that for maximum 0.8. Now, if buys were to continue, this 15 fucking candle back into this area. Literally needs to do one. Like, can't be doing this and then the next one again to then go up. Now this one now needs to do the business if buys were to continue, and then that would be your ideal buy option. Does that make sense? Because you can't
That
be
makes
Yeah, yeah,
perfect sense.
you don't want to see price pulling back into here and then you still here, because now you're just sitting in this fucking range
Mm.
and you can see these
Mm-hmm.
here, right? You don't want that.
Mm-hmm.
You want some Viagra candles, if you will.
I act mechanisms affect that.
Wait, Ravi, Ravi's still here. Fuck man, I got a view on YouTube, guys.
You got a what?
I got a viewer on
A
YouTube.
viewer.
A
Oh,
viewer.
okay, okay.
And I got comments in there also. We
She's
up.
she's good.
Oh my days. Ravi, you like the video? Like the video, subscribe. Fucking hell. I have to do it every day. Like the what did I say? Like, subscribe. Oh, yeah. That combination of words. Okay. I'm wondering now. I think Joel might like this. Joel. He's gonna like. I think Joel's in for the buys, eh? Oh, don't know exactly what the fuck Joel did. Here's this 5. Joel might take this on the 5, I'm thinking. Brother J.
I'm looking at if this breaks this area, then with this green candle over here, we could test this previous 4-hour resistance area.
Okay. So, breaks of here or close above here? Because this is a difference. Because you've broken above here. Okay.
Yeah.
More than once. You didn't close there.
Close.
So, there we go.
Close above.
If you get it close, that would be better confirmation to then play that clean range. As you say, into
Yeah.
these 4-hour areas. So, it's much better.
Yeah.
It's gonna be interesting now. It's gonna be very interesting. I can remove that. 8 minutes left. don't know how this hour is gonna close. Trying to guess. I don't have a hunch. Hunch is the right word, huh?
And she's the one.
That's the one. I don't have a hunch on what this will do. Either way, it looks very interesting because you look at this now and like, oh, okay, but you have this right here. Are we just gonna push and close below here? I don't think so. We're just gonna close bullish. I don't think so either. Six minutes to go.
Because I'm also looking at this, yeah.
That's it.
But we did close above this over here, so patience. She won't.
Drawing is worse than mine.
I know, and I'm even using my pen now, and it's still not, but maybe I must start using that other thing.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Shows you there's 2 viewers on YouTube. I'm just saying, Mama, we made it. Don't let me get to 5. Everybody's gonna hear it when I get to 5. Yeah, going over to Slack. I'm there, so I've got 5 viewers now. I done made it. I quit. I don't want to hear nothing from no one.
My quit just started on YouTube.
Hit 5, bruh.
You can still get to 100. Don't quit after 5.
5's the ideal time to quit. Let me tell you. If everything in life happened in 5s, it'd be good. If you could only do something 5 times, you know? Because you can do it 100. It's like, I don't take pleasure in that. I'm talking a world of
The lies. The lies.
Wait, Ravi, bro, I was so disappointed in myself yesterday, dude. I don't know if you know about like the Kendrick Lamar and Drake beef, right? But after all of that, Drake dropped a song with someone. You know that song, Hey There Delilah, what's it like in New York City? So he did like a remixing to that. And yesterday afternoon, late afternoon, keep in mind I've never listened to the song, but that song played in my head. I was disappointed in my brain. Like no lies. Popped into my head and I could hear that song. I was disappointed in my mind. It's like, why would you play that?
You were disappointed because you thought of the song, or
because it played in my
why were
head.
you disappointed?
Okay, well, I think YouTube might block this part. Well, I'm gonna play this song. Yes. It's called Wagwan Delilah. It's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. You know that song though, eh? Hey there, Delilah.
Who are you talking to?
To you.
Yes, somebody who doesn't know that song.
I was gonna forward it.
So, was this Drake's clapback at Kendrick?
No, it's just a song you made.
me, brought my crown for your bestie. Sorry, he's wearing a shiesty, he's not big.
You know what makes this worse?
It's
There's
just too
ad-libs in the
smoky in
songs.
these
Like, yeah,
streets.
yeah.
You're looking
Here we go.
sweet. Oh, don't you be acting mean. No, there's a 40
That's
Yeah,
literally
no.
Drake. It's not AI.
and oh, your shorty wants to read.
I was so disappointed, yo. Yeah, so out of everything, that's what plays in my head. Okay, 2 minutes left. I'm moving quite amazingly this morning. Fuck you, Ravi. Ravi puts in the YouTube like the stream, guys. You know how, like, when you go on YouTube, people streaming, and there's like hundreds people there that are like the stream, guys. It's fucking 2 people in the YouTube. Oh, Ravi, I appreciate it, man. Fuck, bro. Yeah. Oh, my days like the stream, guys. Yeah. That's my first like the stream, though. Shock, brother. I'm in my day now. Oh. Whew. Okay. Let's lock it back in. Yeah. This looks a bit chalky because there's a few things that could happen now. Right? This year, Formula with Anko, right? I don't really trust that because anywhere in here you could just pull back, right? I don't trust that. Oh my days. This year with this holding here could also have this forming lower resistance and then essentially making the downside structure. But that same breath you argue these here, right? And that, and like you said, you look at that 15 straight back into the support areas where you've been rejecting all morning. Once again, buys do make the most sense, but into there it's really not enough. It's really, and then you get that question, okay, well, why are we doing this? Why are we doing this? Just fucking range. Until it's not range no more. There was somebody I saw last week that said as to why the price of something was moving up or down, and then he brought up that currency strength meter and he showed that, and I was like, what?
Oh, what?
Currency strength meter, have you never seen it?
No, you. That was stay. We have 15 minutes to wait for some action.
You might have more than 15 minutes to wait.
Yeah, bro.
Which one was it? Currency strength meter. This one. He pulled up this. Oh, you guys can't see that.
Mm-mm.
There we go. He pulled up this,
Okay.
and then he said this is why the prices are doing what it's doing. No. There's no way.
What does that mean? I don't understand. How does it work?
It's just showing you like the the strength of certain currencies.
Okay.
That's all.
Like measured compared to what?
Huh?
Compared to what? Like how do they measure the strength?
What do you need to? Oh, how do they measure the strength?
Hmm.
I'm not sure. I'm sure there's a lot of different variables that go into it with the strength. But like the Australian dollar now is strong, eh? Then maybe the New Zealand dollar is weak. So then they like trade AUD, NZD, and take
Hmm.
buys of.
Okay. I see. See what you mean.
We got CPR tomorrow.
Fuck you come from?
Oh.
I got CPI tomorrow.
I've been here.
Fuck it. Were you the second viewer on YouTube?
Nah.
Yes. Need to do some. Some needs to be done. Okay. I like to try and foresee. Cheers, Ravi. Shot again, brother. I like to try and foresee price forming, like how the next few candles should print. It's quite tough this morning, if I'm honest. My vision is not quite amazing today. Maybe the price is just not. But as this goes, starts to become a bit more clearer. Well, I need to wait, so I'll be right back, guys. I just need to check on something quickly. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get a cracker lacking. Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts as we are experiencing some turbulence. Thank you.
No.
Haters in the building. Oh my word. Damn. Okay. What do you guys think now?
I'm thinking to see how price reacts here. If we get a reaction with here, then to push up, or if we get a close above this area, I might take sales.
If you close above this area, you'll take sales.
So if we close below this area, but from
Below.
what I'm seeing, yeah, below.
Okay.
From what I'm also looking at if how the price will react at this place. Because on the 30 minutes, so we also have it's a strong resistance area, so we might as well get the push to the upside from this area. But if that doesn't happen, then if a close below this area would make sense for sales.
Yeah. Nice.
Same. What you said.
You guys must just be a bit more fucker with what support is and what resistance is. It's 2 days in a row where support has been called resistance. Okay, Ozy. So you'd like to see this next few minutes pushed down below, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I expect that? So CO30. So below there is definitely needed, because if not, it's very easy for price to essentially do what it did here. Don't want that. Definitely do not want that. It's just, oh, damn, baby girl. Because you don't
That's
want this,
crazy.
you don't want this pulling into yours. 15 looks fucking good.
Like, what happened? What happened?
Nothing in the newsroom.
It's like a footprint. Check.
Yo, is it just gonna close above there? That's crazy.
Fuck, it didn't. I need a wick. Give me a wick, bro. Bro. So now looking at this, if you could test into your reject. Oh, my days. Very dangerous. So all of that looks good. Price can do anything in here. So you really have to trust that quick push and pay good attention, because you don't want that breaking that fucking line and then doing that. That is not what you want. That spike down was but much. Is it 30? 30 essentially hasn't closed below there. The 30 is gonna do that, then that's your safer option. This is where you need that rejection from, because otherwise you get the fuckery of this 30. So this right here is target. Can you extend? How do you look for extensions? Let's see. If pulling into here and rejecting, and that 30 manages to close below, that would be a decent option. It makes most sense today. Moment of truth. Okay, alright, okay. Also, don't really want the 30 closing. Never mind above. Either needs to like close somewhere here to show that we don't want to go down, or needs to close below here. But no closes around these areas. That's just bullshit because there will be a long enough wick to make that interesting. But that either needs to show the rejection or that we want to push down further into yeses. 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 Let's go again. Into these areas. Oh, fuck. Okay. In the YouTube. Cheers, YouTube.